Precision is the foundation upon which we build, and we strive for the utmost excellence in terms of quality. We have implemented 36 screening and testing processes to ensure the best user experience possible. Here, every detail is condensed with ingenuity and enthusiasm, while each moment is a testament to the creation of innovation. Guided by new quality productive forces, we increase the quality and efficiency of development and actively embrace change to achieve greater strength. Driven by science and technology, we continue to improve the level of intelligence and build a national green factory. We have invested heavily in the introduction of state-of-the-art machinery from countries like Japan, Germany, and Sweden, as well as in-house development of industry-leading equipment, such as automated cartonnets for dental floss picks, auto baggers, and single bagging machines. We unleash manufacturing capacity and facility product upgrades, top-notch equipment, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional management. It is becoming a reality that we share value with our customers. The relentless quest for excellence in manufacturing positions us as the leading force in the industry. Among our many honorary titles are Jiangsu Private Science and Technology Enterprise, Jiangsu Intelligent Manufacturing Demonstration Workshop, National High-Tech Enterprise, Jiangsu SRDI Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise, Jiangsu Industrial Internet Benchmarking Factory, Jiangsu Green Factory, as well as ISO 9001, ISO 13485, BSCI, BRC, CE, and FDA certifications. The automated logistics and warehousing system ensures seamless information synchronization and efficient management, making every process of logistics well organized. The power of talent is always at the forefront of our minds as we work towards their global expansion and deployment. We boast a professional R&D and design team and have obtained 48 national patents, providing customers with OEM and ODM full lifecycle manufacturing services. Our products are sold worldwide, spanning over 60 countries and regions. We have prioritized environmental protection while actively advocating for green concepts. We have contributed to global green development with the aim of establishing ourselves as a leading global manufacturer in the oral healthcare industry.